During our midterm, we complete several hands-on activities involving microcontrollers, input devices, and IoT systems. These activities help us understand how hardware and software work together in a real-world application. First, servo motor control using push button press count in the activity. We control a servo motor using a push button. Each time the button is pressed, a variable called press count increases. The servo motor responds to this count by moving the specific position or angles. For example, 0 degrees to 90 degrees and 180 degrees. This demonstrates how a simple input devices like a button and control mechanical movement. This activity helps us understand digital input, button press, conditional statement in programming controlling output devices like servo motors. Second, interfacing a 4x4 matrix keypad module in this task. We connect a 4x4 matrix keypad to the microcontrollers. The keypad is designed using rows and columns, allowing 16 buttons to work using fewer pins. When a keypad is pressed, the system identifies the exact button by detecting the connection between a specific row and column. This activity is commonly used in password system security locks user input interfaces. Through this, we learn how matrix keypad reduce wiring complexity, how to read multiple inputs efficiently, basic inputs handling an embedded system. Third one, connecting ESP32 to XAMPP and saving data to MySQL. In this activity, we explore basic Internet of Things or IoT concept using the ESP32. The ESP32 connects to the Wi-Fi, sends data to local server create using XAMPP. The server processes the data and stores in the database using MySQL. This allows real-time data logging and monitoring. From this activity, we learn how ESP32 communicates over the internet, how to send data to server, how data is stored and managed in a database. These activities enhance our understanding of hardware control, servo motor, input interfacing, push button and keypad, IoT system and data management, ESP32 with database. These skills are essential in developing smart system in a real-world technology solutions.